So first I am going to start with Be Beauty Pure, and this is color 022. I think this is a great spring color. You can also use it for summer, but we are going to use it for a flower design today, a 3D flower. I know that we're barely in January, but you know what? Spring will be here before we even know it. So I will give this tutorial now. So by the time spring is here, you have already practiced this and you already got it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. While that is being cured, I am gonna grab my Kiara Sky Flex Gel. This is like 3D molding gel. And I'm gonna grab a little bit of this. Just remember, a little bit of this goes a long way. So I'm just gonna grab about that much right there. And keep this away from the light because you would honestly hate for this to get cured. So here we go. I'm gonna move it away from that because it will get, if it sits on that, it'll get stuck. So let's make the worm long enough to cut it into 5 pieces. Okay, that should be good. I'm gonna get the end of this, cut it, there's one. You want to make sure they're about the same size. And next we're gonna roll these into 5 little balls. There we go, there's 5 little balls there. I am gonna grab my nail here. Oh, and then I'm just gonna set it onto the nail, making like a little flower design like you would with like a dotting tool. Once it's on, you're unable to move it, so make sure you're putting it like kind of like in a precise location because it sometimes like will stick. Okay, next I'm gonna get this tool right here. And I'm just gonna go in just like this. If you need to, go ahead and practice this a few times before doing it on your client, but it's pretty easy. You should be able to get it down the first try. Just try not to put them so close to each other. Do this last one. Push it into the middle there. There you go. Then I am going to cure it. So make sure that the petals are all to the middle. Like this. Okay, and you can already see the flower there. I am going to cure it. Next, I'm going to get a little bit of 024 from Be Beauty Pure to paint the flower. And a little bit of 022, which we used on the base of the nail. Just like a little dot, not too much. And I am going to grab my nails by Dev 9mm brush. And I'm going to color it in. Do the outline here. I will just color the whole thing in. You don't have to do the whole thing. On this one, I am going to do the whole thing. Getting the edges as well. Okay, I'm going to cure the flower now. And then next I am going to grab some of this 022 color from Be Beauty Pure. And I'm just going to make little lines here. And I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. Now that that's all nice and cured, I'm going to go in with Nail Prof Rhinestone Gel. Don't mind the bottle, it's been through a lot. I'm going to put some rhinestone glue right in the middle. And I'm going to grab a medium-sized rhinestone. And clearly you can tell I like purple. Everything I have is purple. And I'm just going to grab a rhinestone and put it right in the middle of the flower. To give it a little bit more detail, I'm just going to go ahead and do this. And I'm going to cure it. When that's all done, I will just go ahead and top coat it. Okay, and then I will hear it one last time. That's how I did my 3D flower. Thanks for watching.